Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool General Electric 6.0 cordless telephone, and this is Sherry's equipment from Michigan, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now, these units are very sought after. They were a very good telephone and people really liked them, and they want to have them repaired. We want to run through a little bit about what's going on with this unit. This telephone does not have any transmit, and so when you talk on this telephone, the party that you're talking to cannot hear you. We want to start off our troubleshooting with the handset. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with all of our repairs, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And since this is a cordless telephone, the handset and base unit interchange frequencies. So the amplifier will pick those frequencies up, and you will hear them in the final checkout, but that's because of the frequencies that the telephone is creating. Now, we also want to mention that the battery for this telephone will not hold a charge. So when we start the final checkout, if the battery wears down, we'll go ahead and have to charge the battery, and then we'll resume the final checkout. Now, the answering machine is on for this telephone, and normally on a final checkout, we let the telephone ring quite a few times. In this case, we're just going to let the telephone ring 2 times, and then we'll answer it. We don't want the answering machine to pick up. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. Now let it go one more time, and we'll give you some dial tone. Now what we want to do is walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. Now I'm going to end in a 2. I want to transmit into the handset. Every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and move the line cord over to a line out, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. and we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Monday, July 20th. The current time, 9 p.m. and the temperature, 90 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up the handset. Now that we know that this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Sherry and they can enjoy this telephone once again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.